Yo, what's up, everyone? My name's Dom, and we're talking about unusual options activity. Alright, so, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this program are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There is no guarantee of profit. Alright, everyone. First one I want to talk about is not GameStop. It's Disney. So you come down, so there's a lot of volume here in these January 29th calls that expire tomorrow. So I was poking around here. This isn't the option order that I liked. That's way too short term for me. So if you go to these April 175 strike calls, do calls 175 at about 8 a.m. my time, there's some huge buying here. Somebody came in at 829 and got looks like these ones here. So got 1,000, then 40, then 15, then 10. That's like over $1 million order. Those are about 945 bucks each. I don't know if this is the same person. Then you can see here at 831 and 00, someone else came in and got a crap ton of these Disney calls. So I've given my speech about Disney on this one on this channel before. I think Disney is going to get a re-rating of their valuation. I think it's going to move towards more of a Netflix type multiple because of Disney Plus and everything. I don't have a position on in this account. I think I brought up some June calls or some June or July calls. We have a position on in a different account. But I like these calls, and if Disney trades down tomorrow, I think I might even just go all in on the stock. So I really like this company, especially at these levels. Let's check out the chart. It is off of the highs. It was at 183. Now it's at about 170, 171 it closed at, it looks like. And it's right at this 50-day moving average. Now, I think tomorrow might be another down day, so I think tomorrow is the day to add and to pick up some shares at Disney. Alright, so next one is Adobe. Now this is just a classic great company, great fundamentals, great people running it, great earnings, great profitability, and tech software, great growth. So as you can see here, we have positioned these January 2022 calls right here, these 600 strike calls. So let's check these out here. As you can see here, right at about 8:18 and 13 seconds, somebody came in and got about 500 of these calls. As you can see, 243, 10, 15, 20. You add all these up, I think it's about 500 or so. All these ones at 8:18 and 13 seconds. These are not cheap options. These are about $2,600, and they bought these at the ask at a wide bid and ask here, about a $600 wide bid ask, and they just paid at the ask. Usually there's not this wide of a spread, and the fact that this person just came in and bought these at the ask when they probably could have paid $2,400, a little bit above the midpoint, they just came in and paid $2,600. That is extremely aggressive. If I bought the options where the market bid and ask was this at the time, a 640 difference of dollar between the bid and the ask, I would have not bought it at the ask, because you can probably place it at the midpoint and get filled, because this is a very wide bid ask. This is very aggressive that this person just came in and bought it at the ask, knowing that they could have paid a hell of a lot less, especially because they got 500 of these things. So that money really adds up over time. So as you can see here, Adobe traded up to about 536, and it's just been trading sideways since about the beginning of September. And this one's right at the 200-day moving average. I think it's going to bounce, and I think we're going to be able to get a nice profit in these ones. We're giving ourselves plenty of time going out to 2022, and that is plenty of time for this company to have great earnings come out, just have good news and everything, and have this stock price start to pick up momentum again. So thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thanks for everyone who's been liking the videos. Let's finish strong on the week. We'll see you guys next time.